The target for science is I can experiment with magnetic forces. This is a 2-day lesson. I want to show you what yesterday's lesson was Monday, but I also want to show you today's lesson Tuesday so you can see the big picture and how they come together. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Seesaw link here, and it's going to take you to Seesaw. I want you to make sure that you're in Miss Fitz's 2020-2021 class. If you're not, you come up here to the left-hand side and you find it in your drop-down. Please don't be in the homeroom one, okay? Then you're gonna make sure you're in activities. Today or yesterday and today's assignment really is just to see what you already know and let you explore. So we're going to read the first two slides together today, and then you're going to complete the third slide, and then it's not on here, but today, Tuesday, you complete the last slide, okay? And then when we're all done, of course, we're going to submit it. So you're going to want to hit Add Response. You're going to want to find your name, and I'm going to be a sample student, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and read the first slide for you, okay? Magnetic scavenger hunt. Magnets are used in the real world, to solve problems. Magnets are hidden all over your home. The purpose of the Selfie science is to find magnets in your home. And so one of the students today, one of our students said, well, how do you know if it's magnetic? It will stick. So we're going to get a paper clip or a nail, and it's going to stick just like this without you having to hold it up there. Okay. So what are we going to do with this? So I can explore magnetic forces. Number one, you're going to need a paper clip or a hammer nail, not your fingernail, a nail that you hammer. Then you're going to take pictures to document your findings. And so I'm going to show you some findings that I found that were magnetic, but you also get to show me what things are not magnetic. Okay, and this is Monday's lesson. So I found out that my nail stuck to the Wii remote, so there has to be a magnet in there. My can opener had a magnet up here. My tool holder had a magnet. My knife holder had a magnet, although my friends, I'm an adult, so I got to go close to the nail or the knives, but you might need to ask for permission from your parents before you do that. My shower curtain in one of my bathrooms had a magnet. I had no idea. That was a shocker. At the very bottom of my shower curtain, there was a little black dot, and I was like, why not? And it totally stuck to it. And then I started thinking, why does it have a magnet? And I was like, oh, well, it magnetizes to my tub, which also had a magnet, and it magnetizes there, or a strip of metal. Sorry, it was not magnetic, my tub. It just had metal in it. And it magnetizes so the water doesn't come out. Like, how genius is that? So smart. And then I was like, well, if that shower had a magnet somewhere, does this shower? And it sure did. Then my glass shower at the door, it closes. I always just thought it closed. Well, it actually had a magnet right there that causes it to stay closed. So, those are examples of things in my house that had magnets. What you're going to do, what you did yesterday on Monday, is you took pictures of 6 things that were magnetic and 3 things that were not magnetic. So you went around your house and you tried things and you put your nail or your paper clip up to different items in your house that you thought might be magnetic. And if it stuck, you knew it was magnetic. And if it didn't, then it was not magnetic. Okay. And how you're going to do this is you're going to click this camera picture right here, and you're going to put photo. And there's a little dot at the top of your computer with the camera that we've practiced with before. And you're going to make sure that your item, you're taking a picture of your paperclip or your nail stuck to the item or not stuck. Okay. And you could just show, like, in your hand, it didn't stick. So you're going to take photos of 6 things that are magnetic and 3 things that are not magnetic. And you just do it by clicking this photo, okay? Now, this was Monday's activity where you got to go explore and find things that were magnetic and not magnetic. And then today's activity, Tuesday, is a reflection. So you're going to think back to all of the things that you took pictures of yesterday. What did you learn about magnets? What things were magnets and what were not? That's what I would like you to do with your reflection today. Your reflection could be using words you can type by adding the text box. You can record your voice by adding the microphone, or you can go to your camera again, but instead of taking a photo, you can take a video of yourself. It is up to you. When you are all done today, you're going to click this beautiful green check mark to turn in your assignment for grading. Now remember, it's not going to be a grading that you got it or didn't get it because I just want to know what you know. It's going to be a grading that you tried and I see that you were able to reflect well and participate. And then I'll know where to go from here. And then hopefully the next day I'll learn that we'll go over what magnets really are. Okay. And then we'll do some other experiments. I hope you have fun with this and I can't wait to see your objects.